Inside your car, you have totally 9 speakers. Yeah, rear door 2 mid, front door 2 mid, and 2 tweeter, front door 2 tweeter, and bass under the foot, well, both sides each, and there's a mid range. So total is like 336 plus another 6, total 9 speakers. Okay, and after this upgrade to the Burmester, you still using back these 9 speakers, but the wiring slightly different. For example, if I mark as no change, that means the position, the speaker to the amplifier connector is no change. That means no need to change. These 3 speakers no change. This center speaker no change. We need to change this wiring of the front left bass and the front right bass and the front right door, your passenger door speaker. Okay, it was connected. The speaker got 2 connectors, 1 and 2. 1 goes to 21 and the 2 goes to 9. Okay, 29. Sorry, where's 9? 9 is here. 9 and 21. Okay. That means this speaker, the front left bass goes to this 9 and 21. And the front right goes to 10 and 22. 10 and 22. Okay? 10 goes to 2. 22 goes to 1. 9 goes to 2. 21 goes to 1. Okay? So this pair and this pair is for 2 bass. But the new sound system, this 2 cable changed to location of 315 and 416. And there's one thing is changed is actually we need to talk about this first is a step 1. So we need to change the 315 to 517. 315 move to 517. Okay, this speaker, front right speaker, moving these 2 pins to these 2 pins. So number 3 goes to number 5, number 15 goes to number 7, number 15 goes to number 17, and you have 3. This pin is empty, so you can move this one to here and then move this one to here. Okay, so basically, you need to change. This step 1 is remove the pin 3 and 15, then insert to 5 and 17. Remove and insert, and remove this and remove that, and insert to this and that. So this is a whole procedure, but you know the pin size is different for this group of pin and this group of pin are different size. So I will give you 2 small connectors, connecting wiring, so you can make this one smoothly. Okay, so roughly the idea is like that.